monster. I've been busy helping Mama put up lights today. Now my belly's so hungry.
Rumble, rumble.
Hey, little belly monster. Let's have another little helper fill our bellies by making a veggie and pita elf snack.
Yay, Momo! What a great idea!
So now all we'll need is half a whole wheat pita, baby carrots, celery cut into sticks, and some hummus.
That sounds tasty.
First we start by scooping some hummus and making a circle. Then we cut the pita into triangles. We take the first triangle to make a little hat. The other two triangles make a perfect little vest. With the celery sticks, we make a half circle to make a beard. Baby carrots are great for arms and legs. Then, with one more carrot, we cut off pieces to make the button on his vest and his little nose. And that's how we make our veggie and pita elf snack. And now,
Snack time! That was yummy. So, what are we eating next?
Rumble, rumble.
Eat with you soon.
if you like learning about nutritious and delicious foods, like this video and subscribe.